Hey guys, this is J&R Contracting here today. Today is package day. Alright, so this is going to go along well for my 150th scale trucks, more or less CT660s I have. It's a tag trailer. Hopefully this comes in one piece. Alright. Alright, so here we go. Here it is. Beavertail trailer, 150 scale. I really use one of these to be honest. Oh, it looks like there's a hitch. Too, that's kind of cool. Alright, so it is a dual axle tag. There's the tag. Looks pretty good to be honest. A little bit of stuff I have to do. Try to get it hooked on to my, first of all, this truck. Try to get it like that. And see, like that. So, quick little video of the tag trailer here, Beavertail. So, other than that, that's pretty much it. Just a quick one. I have reviews that I gotta upload yet, so for some reason it doesn't like the color. But there's my CT660 little public appearance there. So that'll be it for this review or unboxing. So this is J&R Contracting, and you guys have a good day.